question well served. His silence like a fever, a voice never heard, or a message with no receiver. Pray they won't ask behind the stained glass. There's always one more mask. Has man been a victim of his woman, of his father? If he elects not to bother, will he suffocate their faith, desperate to fall behind the great wall that separates us all? When there is reason, tonight I'm awake. When there's no answer, arrive beside them. If there is balance, tonight he's awake. If they have to suffer, then lies the silent man. Sin without deceivers, a God with no believers. I could sail by on the winds of silence, and maybe they won't notice. But this time I think it'd be better if I swim. When there is reason, tonight I'm awake. When there's no answer, arrive the silent man. If there is balance, tonight he's awake. But if they have to suffer, there lies the silent man. There lies